Dear students, I dealt with in the previous class about the degrees and words, adjectives, but they are single words. But now, for you in the exam, a sentence will come. Sentence. How to convert a sentence into other two degrees. Now look at here. Suma is the wisest girl in the class. Actually, you should be able to pick up immediately what degree is it in. Why? See here, wisest. If you remember the previous class, you'll remember this is EST means superlative. Even if I did not write that side superlative, you would know. Now convert that into comparative and positive, other two degrees. How it is done? First of all is the is, present tense. So same tense should be kept up. Is, etc. According to the subject. Suma is a singular subject, therefore is. Now Suma is wiser than any other girl in the class. See, ಇಂಥದ್ದು ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ wiser than any other is wiser. See, wisest has become here er, wiser. And you remember here the is given there, the article the, because it is the superlative. But here, where is the here? Suma is the wiser. Did you write? No. The should be dropped. Okay. Suma is wiser than any other girl in the class. Now, if this sentence has come comparative, asking you to convert that into superlative, though there is no the here, when you convert that into superlative, you must add the. And when you convert that into positive, the should be dropped. Comparative, the is not there. Okay. No other, see, no other girl is as wise as Suma in the class. See, this adjective is here, wise. Wise, wiser, wisest. So, wise is a positive degree. But see, as, ಎರಡು ಆಸ್ಗಳ ನಡುವೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂರಿಸಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಿದೆ. Positive degree always, wise adjective is in between two ases, as. No other. ಅರ್ಥ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ನೋ ಅದರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಸುಮಾ ಈಸ್ ದ ವೈಸೆಸ್ಟ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 40, ದೇರ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ 40 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆ, ವೆನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡನ್. Now this is track number 1. There is one more, track number 2. Here you see the difference. Instead of Suma, I put Raghu here, that's all. And instead of present tense, I put past tense. Just to tell you about the tenses. Raghu was one of the wisest boys in the class. Boys. One of the wisest boys in the class. ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇರೆಯವರು ಕೂಡ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆಯವರು ಯಾರೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ. ಬೇರೆಯವರು ಯಾರೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವಲ್ಲಿ ನೋ ಅದರ್, ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೋ ಅದರ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ರಘು ವಾಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವೈಸೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಒಂದು 3, 4, 5 ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅವನು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಸೂಪರ್ಲೇಟಿವ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಬಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಟಿವ್, ರಘು ವಾಸ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ವಾಸ್ ವೈಸರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್, ಹಾಗೇನೇ ಇದೆ ವೈಸರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎನಿ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ, ಮೆನಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸಿ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ ಮೆನಿ ಈಸ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಎನಿ. ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್, ಮೋಸ್ಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ದಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಸೂಪರ್ಲೇಟಿವ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಬೆಟರ್ ಯು ಯೂಸ್ ಮೆನಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ. Raghu was wiser than many other boys in the class. That's a comparative. Now here you see, no other is replaced by very few. In this track, very few, ಕೆಲವರೇ ಕೆಲವರು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೇಲೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವರೇ ಕೆಲವರು. ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ವರ್, ನೋಡಿ ವರ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್, ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್. ವಾಸ್ ನ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ವರ್. ವೆರಿ ಫ್ಯೂ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ವರ್ as wise as, same thing it is, same, as wise as Raghu in the class. So this track and this track you must know very well. ಇದರ ಪರಿಚಯ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಈ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇತ್ತು ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಈ ಪಡಿ ಅಚ್ಚು ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಪಡಿ ಅಚ್ಚದ್ದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಪರಿಚಯ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸಿ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್. ಇಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕಮ್, ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ನೋ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಟು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟು ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಟಿವ್, ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ನೋ ದಿಸ್. How to convert that into superlative, you must know this. Any sentence they may give. For example, this sentence, this they may give comparative. immediately what track is it in? Is it first track or second track? You must be able to pinpoint and apply the rule. Now here, exercise I have given for you to work out. Ashoka was one of the greatest kings. Ashoka was one of the greatest kings. What track? Is it first track or second track? Ashoka was one of the, see it is here, one of the. So therefore this is second track. So when you convert this into, this is of course greatest superlative. When you convert it into comparative and positive, you must follow this track. This. Now here, Asia is the biggest continent in the world. See, there is here. Here there is was. What track is it in? This one second. This certainly this is in this track, first track. So you must know how to convert that into other 2 degrees in this track. Very few boys are as industrious as Manoj. Now very few boys. Which track is it in? See here, very few. Immediately you know, very few. This is which degree? Very few. Very few is a positive degree. So therefore you must know this is a positive degree and how to convert that into superlative and comparative. So follow this track. So any question that comes to you in the examination, that will follow either of the tracks, either this track or this track. But you must know ಅದರ ಪರಿಚಯ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. You work out maybe other questions, then you will know better. Thank you very much for listening to me.